What a Pooh Shiesty, go to trial and blow it. If I told you ain't gon' beat it, would you say I curse you? Your lawyer say you worth $3 million, you ain't gotta take. You beat the robbery, take the plea for the shooting case. But either way, you doing time, your family doing fine. And if your plea 4 years or under, go ahead and take your time. Big 30 ass, gon' hold it down for Shiesty, brr. So discipline, he ain't getting high unless he made a 30. It's Choppa, Gason, Dolphin, Niska, Diamond, has been at war. Niggas sneaky with their hits, go ahead and up the score, yeah!
A splash in the Soldier of the Games, but a good move with Pooh Shiesty lawyer trying to do. Now would it work? 50-50. But I see what he trying to do, because y'all got to understand, if the theory that they running with, because it could be true. It still can be true. It could be true what they saying. That's why they saying it. If they can get that robbery off and get that time knocked down or taken off, and he just plead guilty to the shooting and say he just shot him and he didn't rob him, and he get like, they get the plea to take it down to 4 years, 3 years, 4 years, even 5. 5 at the worst, but 3 to 4. And he been sitting about a year, year and a half, or however long. He get that time credit. He probably sit in the pen for about a year and a half, 2 years. He signed up for good programs, 85% of your time. He be home in a year and a half if they get that robbery taken off. So it's a good move. It's a nice try. It's a good try to do before trial come. April come, because there's a lot of evidence saying that he didn't rob him, because they didn't find none of the victim belongings on Pooh Shiesty. It don't show Pooh Shiesty taking none of the victim belongings, taking his wallet or nothing. Because Pooh Shiesty wasn't caught with none of the victim belongings, it don't show on camera that Pooh Shiesty took his belongings. So they can be like, well, my client didn't rob the victim. Yeah, there's no complaint saying he robbed him. They saying he shot him. So why is he charged with robbery? Yeah, the police didn't find no marijuana. They don't show him taking no marijuana or whatever they talking about. Yeah, and now it does. That is my client shooting, alleged. Still say that, to cover me. But that is my client right here, and we pleading guilty to that. And we do feel, and he does feel, that he should be held to justice for that. He does feel he should do time for that. And we're willing to take the plea. 3 to 4. I'm asking the jury 3 years, time served. And yeah, he could be on probation, 10-year probation, 5-year, whatever. Whatever to get free. Whatever to get that second chance while he's still in his prime. I'm talking about doing his time, not doing no cooperating or nothing like that. I'm saying, whatever they say, 10 years probation, 5 years, 7 years, whatever. He'll do that. He can't go far. He only can travel in the South, whatever. However they want to do it, it's better than sitting in the pen. He could be out making money. So yeah, he'll take that there. So Pooh lawyers can get the prosecutors and the judge all on the same page, saying that my client didn't rob nobody. Yes, we is pleading guilty to the gunfire. Yes, my client did shoot, the victim in his buttocks. But hey, he didn't take nothing from him. It wasn't a robbery. It wasn't that. You got the wrong guy. I'm saying my client right here did not rob. There's no evidence. There's no complaint saying my client robbed anybody. Why has he been charged with robbery? Why? You know what I'm saying? If they can get that taken off, then it's up. Second chance. It's a second chance anyway, but you ain't got to worry about no 7 years, 10 years, 8 years, 6 years, none of that there. It could be like 3 years, 4 years. You know what I'm saying? Because it is a gun in Florida and all of that. You did fire. Somebody did get hit, alleged. So, yeah, do the 3 to 4. Get credit, a year and a half. Yeah, come back home the Shiesty way, the Choppa gang way. Take over again. Take over 1017. Take over Memphis. You know what I'm saying? Take over the rap game. But you need this to work. You need them to take that robbery off. That'll take off 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, who knows? You need that there. If not, hey, you might run a road with the best plea that you can. You know what I'm saying? So it's always better late than never. So, y'all could have came with this earlier before you pleaded guilty, but, that's what you're paying your lawyer for. Like I said, late is better than never. It's worth a try. You know what I'm saying? If you don't try, it's a guarantee no. Who knows? You could get a yes. They could dismiss it. So you got to keep your prayer strong. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, think positive. And yeah, wait till April. We'll see what's going on. That's what's going on. That's my take on this conversation right here, man. Go.